Let's get right to it. To download your video from Descript as an MP4, navigate to the Export option within the Descript interface, which you can find in the File menu. Select Video, then MP4 as your desired format. Descript's recent updates, including the Smart Export feature introduced in Q3 2025, will automatically optimize your video's bitrate, resolution, up to 4K, and file size based on where you intend to share your video, like social media or high-definition archiving. Descript has optimized exports that run with 99% uptime for videos under 30 minutes. It's that simple. Don't forget that Descript's free tier limits exports to 720p, with paid plans starting at $12 a month unlocking full features. Descript excels in caption generation, so it's important to review these features. After selecting your export settings, ensure you configure your captions to be exported correctly. You can choose to embed captions directly into the MP4 or download them as separate SRT VTT files. This is crucial for accessibility. Descript uses AI-generated captions based on Whisper, and as of 2025, captions are accurate to 95%. Separate caption files use formats like SRT or VTT. WebETT format offers similar structure with timestamps. Now for export settings, you can change resolution from SD to 4K, select frame rates from 24 to 60 FPS. Choose between adaptive or fixed bit rates. Select stereo or mono audio channels. These settings can greatly affect the final size and quality of the final video.